This quick video is about how to customize iPhone home screen on iOS 16 or later versions. Okay, first you need to long press any of this empty space, just like that. Then you can see this plus icon, click that. Yeah, here you can add any widget on your iPhone home screen. Here you can add notes, clock app or even photos. Here you can have a lot of options. You just need to tap the widget and here you can choose the different types of widgets. Select any one of them and tap add widget. That's it. Now it's came to the home screen. Just tap and move like this. You can add any of these places just like that. If you feel okay, then just click done. Okay, now it's added. It's same for all widgets. The only thing you need to know is to edit the widget, you need to long press the widget. Then you can see this option, edit widget. Just click that. Yeah, here you can choose the time, country, any of these things. Suppose if it's a weather widget means long press that and tap edit widget. Here you can change the location. It's just that simple. For iOS 15 and 16, just one thing different. On iOS 16, you can customize the home screen on another place. Just swipe down here. Then long press the screen. Yeah, now you can see this option customize. Here you can slide like this. Then tap customize. Yeah, now you have two options. Either you can edit the home screen or you can also edit the lock screen. For now we are going to edit the home screen. Just click this. Then here you can change the color just like that. Then gradient, you can use the gradient option or you can also choose the photo. Just tap photo and here tap this. It's redirect into your iPhone Photos app. Just select the photo you wish. Then it will be added like this. Then you can change the filter. Just swipe left like this. After you set these things, then tap done. Yeah, now it's changed. And you can also turn on this blur option. Yeah, here you can see. Then finally click done. Now it's completely changed. If you want to remove this, just swipe down here, long press this and open customize. Tap home screen and just click this and hit done. That's it. Now it's changed to the default mode. By this simple way, you can easily customize your iPhone home screen on iOS 16 or later versions. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.